Good morning, children. Good morning. Welcome you all to the classroom of maths. And this time ma'am is going to teach you about days of the week. And this video ma'am is going to tell you about days of the week. All are very much familiar with days of the week, but ma'am is going to teach you one more time, okay? Do you know the first working day of the week? Our classes starts from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. All these are working days. Okay. Saturday and Sunday. They are called, both of them together called weekends. They are called weekends. Okay. I know you naughty children. You all started shouting now. No ma'am, sometimes we have classes on Saturday. Yes children, sometimes na, not always. Sometimes we have classes on Saturday, but not always. Now one more thing ma'am is going to do with you all, okay? Now we are going to sing a song, okay? And this is going to help us in remembering all days of the week, okay? Be ready with me and let's sing together, okay?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week, 7 days are in a week. I can sing the 7 days, now I can sing by myself.
Children, now it's our copy work time, okay? What ma'am is writing on the blackboard, you all have to copy it down in your copy, okay? And now you all will copy down and you have to learn the spellings also, okay? Because ma'am is going to take a oral test of all these days name, spelling I'm going to ask in online classes, okay? So first write in the copy, okay? Days of the week, okay? And what ma'am is saying is days of the week and here ordinal number, okay? An ordinal number which we have studied in our previous chapter, okay? The first day of the week I already told you all is, tell me, yes, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. And which day is Monday? So we will write it here. Monday is the first day. Okay? Now the second day is Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. And Tuesday is second day. Got it? Now third day, tell me, don't sit quietly. You all have to tell me, okay? Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. And Wednesday is third day. Which day is Wednesday? Wednesday is third day. You all have to say the spelling, okay? And then write. It's going to help you in learning the spellings, okay? Now Thursday. Thursday is fourth day. Which day is Thursday? Fourth day. And the spelling of Thursday is T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Now comes Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. And Friday is fifth day. Which day is Friday? Fifth day. Okay? And then comes which day? Saturday. And I already told you S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday is sixth day. Saturday is sixth day. Okay? And then comes the last one, Sunday. 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 And Sunday is the 7th day. And we are having 7 days in a week. And children, what ma'am has told you already? Saturday and Sunday. Both are together called weekends. Okay. Everyone, please be ready with your maths book. Now we are going to do some exercise of our maths book. Okay. Let's move to the page number 125. See here. Some filling the blanks are given, and this filling the blanks we have to do in the book only. Okay. The first one, there are dash days in between Monday and Friday. How many days are there in between Monday and Friday? Just see, this is Monday and this one is Friday. How many days are there in between? 1, 2 and 3. So you all are going to write 3 days in between Mondays and Friday. Friday comes after. After which day Friday comes? Yes, it comes after Thursday. There are dash days in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. And dash comes before Sunday. Which day comes before Sunday? That is Saturday. Dash comes in between Tuesday and Thursday. Which day comes in between Tuesday and Thursday? Yes, Wednesday comes in between Tuesday and Thursday. Children, you all are going to do this work in your book. And whatever work ma'am has already given you to do in copy, maths copy, you are going to do that also. Okay, don't forget to do all these works. Okay children, just take care. Bye bye.